Want to reset Instagram Explore page but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to reset Instagram Explore page. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, you need to adjust your interest. In order to adjust your interest, first open Instagram. Then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, click on the three horizontal lines icon which is at the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down to What You See section. Below it, there is Suggested Content button. Click on it. Tap on the Interested button. If there are any interests that you have selected, remove it. The second way is by managing sensitive contents. Click on the sensitive content. Here, select the less option. Third way is by marking the post or reels as uninterested. Search the post that you don't want in your Explore page. Then tap on the three dots at the top of the post. Then click on the Not Interested button. And that's how you can reset Instagram Explore page. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.